Hi everyone, this is Mr. Shai and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel. Before that, please hit the likes button and subscribes for more videos. Buksan po natin ang browser. Then go to youtube.com at doon sa upper right corner, click natin and sign in. Dito pwede po kayo mag-sign in gamit an existing Gmail account nyo or kung wala naman kayong account, click po natin ang create account and choice personal use. Lagay nyo po ang first name at saka last name. Click next at lagay nyo naman ang birth date nyo, month, day, and year. After that, click next. Dito naman lagay PWD kayo maglagay ng preferred Gmail nyo or click get a Gmail address instead to select auto-generated email address. Dito, you can select generated email or click create your own Gmail address. Click next at mag-input po ng password at confirm password. Click next dito, PWD kayo maglagay ng recovery email nyo or just skip if di nyo gusto. At dito makikita nyo yung activated email account nyo. Click next again, go to bottom ang click agree for the privacy and terms of YouTube. That's it. Dito na po tayo sa YouTube mo. Makikita sa upper right corner yung first letter ng email account mo. This shows that you are successfully created your YouTube account. Para gumawa ng YouTube channel account, click po natin yung first letter ng YouTube account mo sa upper right corner. Din lalabas yung drop-down menu. Click po natin ang Create a Channel. Now, ito po ang channel na gagawin mo. Just input the name of your preferred channel na naayon sa pinaplano mong channel. After that, click Create Channel. At ito na ang channel mo. You can click Customized para mapaganda mo ang environment ng channel mo. You can upload banner image and profile picture. Also, the basic description of your channel and other details. Upload your pictures, change name, unique URL, long description of your channel and contact infos, etc. You can also go to your content. As you can see, you can upload here your videos, short videos, and live, etc. There you go. So that's all, guys. That's how easy it is done. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys. And congratulations, you already know how to create your own YouTube channel. So it's up to you on what kind of videos you want to share to the viewers here in YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, just subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified on my next and latest videos. So that's all. Stay